for the safety connector. Here you see me removing all the bolts and putting them back into place for better management. Alright, let's do the same for the other side now. Okay, the seatbelts have now arrived back from the supplier. I went with my airbag team. It all started with the rear left seatbelt, as you see me installing it here. This had an issue initially when I bought the car. It was not retracting. Here you see me installing the driver's side seatbelt. As you can see, it is now in red. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think. This is just the reverse process of removing all the trim panels, making sure to Loctite every bolt. I didn't want to take any chances with my safety. Reinstalling all trim panels were completely satisfying as I saw the car come back together again. This put in perspective what the finished product will look like.